Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to search filters on Instagram. Instagram filters are more than just fun and games. They can add creativity and personality to your content. First of all, put Instagram on your phone. Slide to the right side to open the camera. Click on Reel and you can create Reel as well by using filters. Click on the down arrow, tap on Effects, and different filters have been shown. Click on the search icon on the left side. Search the filter of your choice. Search any filter, for example, 4K, and select a 4K quality filter. Try this filter by capturing any picture, or you can create a reel as well. There are different numbers of filters you can use. Scroll them to the end and a search icon will appear. Try as many filters as you want. It will open up the effects gallery where you can find all sorts of filters, from cute animal ears to artistic overlays. Let us try the circle frame filter and see if a frame of the color circle will appear. You can capture pictures in different filters and you can put them in your story. That is how you can search filters on Instagram stories. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.